Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little to Simple. In every Indian household, the kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home. A space where traditions are passed down and memories are made. For decades, one product was inseparably linked to these kitchens, Dalda. But how did this humble vanaspati ghee become a household name? How did it win over millions of Indian hearts? And why did it lose its shine? Today, we'll explore the fascinating journey of Dalda, a story of innovation, nostalgia, and survival. The story begins in the early 20th century. Back then, pure desi ghee was a luxury product in India, with a majority of the population unable to afford it. There was a demand for cheaper alternatives. Enter Dalda & Co., a Dutch company that had the vision to introduce hydrogenated vegetable oil to India. In 1931, Hindustan Lever, a subsidiary of the British multinational Lever Brothers, acquired the rights to market Dalda & Co.'s product in India. To make the brand more appealing to Indian consumers, they gave it a new identity, a name that combined Dalda with L for Lever Brothers, and thus Dalda was born. From the very beginning, Dalda was positioned as the perfect substitute for ghee. It was marketed as pure, affordable, and ideal for cooking all kinds of Indian dishes. By the 1940s, Dalda had become a staple product in urban Indian homes. India gained independence in 1947, but the economic challenges remained. Food scarcity and poverty meant that many families couldn't afford the luxury of pure ghee. Dalda, with its long shelf life and affordable price, filled the gap. The brand's success wasn't just about the product, it was also about the marketing. Hindustan Lever was ahead of its time, using radio jingles, print advertisements, and later television commercials to make Dalda synonymous with care and quality. The advertisements struck an emotional chord with Indian families. Whether it was laddus for Diwali, samosas for a family gathering, or parathas for breakfast, Dalda was presented as the perfect companion for every occasion. Restaurants, street vendors, and even professional sweet makers adopted Dalda for its cost effectiveness. It became a trusted brand not just for homes but for the entire food industry. So, what exactly is vanaspati ghee? Unlike traditional ghee made from milk, vanaspati is made from hydrogenated vegetable oil. This process transforms liquid oils into solid fat, giving vanaspati its ghee-like texture and shelf stability. However, there is a downside to this process. It produces trans fats. While trans fats help improve the texture and longevity of the product, they also have serious health implications. Over time, studies linked trans fats to heart diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Back in the 1950s and 60s, the health risks of trans fats weren't widely known. Dalda enjoyed a golden age of popularity, but as scientific research progressed, the story began to change. By the 1980s, global and local health experts started raising alarms about the dangers of trans fats. In India, the middle class was growing more health conscious. New cooking oils like refined sunflower and soybean oils began entering the market, offering a healthier alternative to vanaspati. Dalda, once seen as a trustworthy product, began to lose its appeal. Competing brands emphasized their lack of trans fats and positioned themselves as healthier choices for families. The Indian government also stepped in, introducing stricter regulations for trans fats. Public campaigns urged consumers to switch to healthier cooking oils, further eroding Dalda's dominance. By the 1990s, Dalda's decline was evident. The once ubiquitous brand was struggling to keep up with the changing market dynamics. Sales dropped and its image as a pure product was tarnished. Recognizing the brand's declining value, Hindustan Unilever sold Dalda to Bunge Limited, an American agribusiness company, in 2003. This marked the end of an era. Bunge attempted to revive Dalda by diversifying into healthier oils, but it was no longer the iconic brand it once was. Today, Dalda operates in a very different space. Bunge has repositioned it as a versatile cooking oil brand, offering products like sunflower, soybean, and mustard oil. The iconic vanaspati ghee is still available but plays a much smaller role in the brand's portfolio. While Dalda may no longer dominate the market, its legacy endures. For many, the name still evokes fond memories of family meals and festive celebrations. And in rural India, where affordability remains a priority, Dalda continues to serve as a viable option. Dalda's journey is a microcosm of India's economic and cultural evolution. It rose to fame in a time of scarcity, providing an affordable alternative to pure ghee. It fell out of favor as health awareness grew and consumer preferences shifted. Yet, Dalda remains more than just a brand. It is a part of India's culinary history, a reminder of how food connects us to our past. The story of Dalda is a story of resilience. It's about adapting to changing times while holding on to its legacy. What are your memories of Dalda? Do you remember its distinctive taste and smell in your favorite dishes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of iconic Indian brands. Thank you for watching and join us again as we uncover more fascinating stories from India's culinary and business heritage.